Stocks and news, and for that, let's go to Navneet. Navneet, what's on your watch list?
Morning, Nikunj. Keep an eye on Axis Bank in today's trading session. Well, the stock was up about close to 2% yesterday. Also, well, the company has kicked off its share sale plan to raise up to over 5,500 crore rupees. Well, there will be a preferential allotment to the tune of about 4,726 crores, whereas about 59 lakh shares will be allotted to the existing shareholders. And if you look at the pricing for the QIP, that's at a discount of about 1.8% at 1,390 rupees per share. And the share sale will lead to equity dilution of about 10.75%, and sources tell us that the books have been covered almost 3 times. Keep an eye on Axis Bank. There could be a positive reaction again today. And moving on to Sterlite, keep an eye on this stock as the company will be declaring its quarterly numbers today. If you look at the ET Now poll, the net sales figure is expected to grow by about 7%, and the sales figure will be driven by higher realizations and also because of higher volumes. And well, the PAT figure could not be comparable, whereas our estimates say it could be anywhere about 1,370 crore rupees, because there will be a forex loss to the tune of about 259 crores. And if you look at the margins, well, they're expected to be stable at about 23.5%. So there could be a margin expansion of about 50 basis points, and the margins will be stable despite of higher bauxite and higher coal costs during the quarter. And lastly, keep an eye on the entire sugar pack. There could be a positive reactions for stocks like Sri Renuka, Bajaj Hindustan and Balrampur Chini after government has allowed the sugar companies to sell their unsold sugar in the open market. So keep an eye on the entire sugar space too in today's trading session.